Hello friends, welcome to part 2 of pelvic floor strengthening through motor imagery. So before we move further, I am sure part 1 देखने के बाद आप लोगों को पता चल चुका है how our pelvic floor muscles work, where are they placed and what is their action. So let's have a quick review of pelvic floor muscles.
Your pelvic floor muscles are a group of muscles that make up the base of your pelvis. This hammock of muscles helps support your internal organs, including the bladder and rectum. The bladder and rectal outlets pass through the pelvic floor muscles. The rectal outlet or anal canal is surrounded by the anal sphincter, a circular muscle which you release and tighten to control the opening and closing of the outlet. The puborectalis muscle works together with the anal sphincter. When stool moves down into the rectum, it triggers an urge for a bowel movement. When you sit on the toilet, your pelvic floor muscles relax. This relaxation causes the puborectalis muscle and the anal sphincter to release, opening the rectal outlet and allowing stool to pass easily from the rectum. These muscles are under your voluntary control, meaning you control when they open and close.
Now moving on to the next part, just imagine your pelvic floor muscles like an elevator. I know अभी तक आप प्रैक्टिस करते आ रहे हैं कि pelvic floor muscles को हमने टाइट किया, abdomen को अंदर किया and we breathe out. So now I want you to break this association. अब आप pelvic floor को independently contract करिए. Feel your pelvic floor muscles are like the door of the elevator. Just close it, tighten it and just feel the bridge, the hammock moving up. Okay? कोई आप abdominal muscles पे ध्यान नहीं देंगे, कोई diaphragm के ऊपर आप ध्यान नहीं देंगे, कोई breathing pattern पे ध्यान नहीं देंगे. Just contract your abdominal floor muscles and feel that it is going up like an elevator. Okay? Perfect? Let's move further. Okay, so अब हम शुरू करते हैं strengthening pelvic floor muscles with the help of certain exercises. Okay? Concept वही दिमाग में रहेगा that like it's like an elevator door. We are going to close the door of the elevator and the elevator is moving up. Okay, so this is our exercise position as you can see and I'm sure आप सबको ये exercise बहुत अच्छे से पता है. Our feet are rested well, our back is rested well and in this position slowly we lift our pelvis up and इसको करते हुए हम लोग क्या करेंगे, we will tighten our pelvic floor muscles. ठीक है, and like an elevator we will feel it to be going up. Pelvic floor muscle, door close and we will feel the pelvic floor muscles going up. Is it easy enough? Okay, जैसी position होएगी उसी हिसाब से we will feel the pelvic floor muscles going up. Moving next. अब ज़रूरी है we understand the concept of pet lep. अच्छी motor imagery के लिए it's very important that we follow the principle of pet lep. It is basically an abbreviation. So let's see further what does it stand for. So the first thing is you have to imagine this particular movement. So क्या हो रहा है? Our feet are rested well, our back is rested well, our head and neck are rested well, arms are absolutely relaxed. We are just contracting our abdominal muscles and as we contract our abdominal muscles, we are pulling up our pelvis region and along with it we are contracting the pelvic floor muscle. So is that clear? So now before moving further, let's see what muscles are involved. So in this position जैसे ही हम लोग we are lifting the pelvis, all these muscles in the posterior column they become activated, their tone increases. Tone increases means ये थोड़ा सा कड़क हो जाती हैं and then they contract and helps to pull up the body. Okay, so remember all these muscles in the posterior group of our body और ये जैसे जैसे ऐसे contract होके ऊपर जाएंगे साथ के साथ हमारा जो pelvic floor है वो भी contract होके we are going to pull it up. Okay, so now let's apply the principle of Petlet. It is nothing but just remember P stand for imagine the position. किस तरह हम लेटे हुए हैं और किस तरह हम लोग ऊपर उठे हैं. सो व्हेन यू इमेजिन द पोजीशन, एक परफेक्ट इमेजिनेशन के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है. यू इमेजिन द इन्वायरमेंट ऑल्सो. यू इमेजिन व्हाट काइंड ऑफ क्लोथ्स यू आर वेयरिंग, वेयर आर यू सिटिंग. सो इट्स just imagine your position and your environment, whether you are doing this in your office, your living room, your bedroom, in park bench, anything you can imagine anywhere, but just imagine yourself completely. आधा अधूरा इमेजिन नहीं करना, हमें अच्छे से इमेजिन करना है कि हम किस पोजीशन में हैं और कैसे कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. The next thing is, after we've done the P thing, after we have done the E, it comes T. That means the task. So what is the task here? We are lifting our pelvis up, and at the same time we are elevator door. We are closing the door of our pelvic floor and it is moving up. जैसे जैसे कमर उठती जाएगी वैसे वैसे उसकी भी डायरेक्शन बदलती जाएगी. You have to just pull it up. So imagine the task. First imagine your position, imagine your environment, and now imagine क्या हम कर रहे हैं. Basically पेल्विस को ऊपर करना है, बट वी आर गोइंग टू कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन अ पेल्विक फ्लोर मसल्स. नेक्स्ट, द टाइमिंग ऑफ मसल एक्शन. अभी एक परफेक्ट इमेजिनेशन के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. यू आर एबल टू इमेजिन द थिंग द वे इट वर्क्स. सो वी ऑल नो पेल्विक फ्लोर मसल्स आर फास्ट वर्किंग मसल्स. ओके, कैसे वी नो दे आर फास्ट वर्किंग मसल्स? अगर आपको यूरिनेशन बहुत जोर की आ रहा है, हाउ स्ट्रांगली डू यू कॉन्ट्रैक्ट टू होल्ड इट, एंड व्हेन यू गेट अ गुड bathroom or something, how quickly you relax them. So when you move up, ऐसा नहीं है आप full time contract करके रखेंगे and move up करेंगे. Contract, relax, contract, relax, contract, relax as you move your pelvis up. As you do this exercise of bridging, just contract, relax at a fast pace. Okay, so now you've understood the timing also. Then you have to learn this movement in different position. अभी तो हमने किस में किया है? In lying down position. Next, what you can do is just imagine yourself sitting on a bench and then you are doing the same action. What is the exercise here we are trying to do it? Just imagine you are straightening your leg, okay, one leg at a time, and at the same time what you are doing, you are just contracting your pelvic floor muscle. Feel it like an elevator going up and relaxing. So you contract, you relax, you contract, you relax, and all this has to be at the same pace. What is our natural pace? हम लोग साधारणतः अपनी ज़िंदगी में जिस स्पीड से इसको कॉन्ट्रैक्ट रिलैक्स करते हैं उसी स्पीड से ही हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. Next position that you can try apart from bridging is go in a standing position. Just stand in your kitchen or anywhere during your free time. Okay, just imagine yourself that slowly you are taking your leg outward, sideways and outward, one leg at a time. Bahar andar, in and out you are doing. And while you do that, at the same time, what are you doing? This is your pelvic floor. The door of the elevator is shut and you are pulling it up. So again, contract, relax, contract, relax, contract, relax, and this will happen while you are taking your leg up and while you are taking your leg down. So it has to go fast. Contract करिए, relax करिए, contract करिए, relax करिए, but you should feel the pelvic floor moving up. Okay. The last is emotion. So imagine the emotion attached with it. कितना relaxation होता है when we are able to hold on to our urine and also to pass it, to maturate in a clean and neat bathroom. So just add the emotion, because अगर सारे elements added होंगे तभी अच्छे से आपकी motor imagery होगी. हम कोई भी चीज़ imagine नहीं कर सकते जब तक उसके साथ एसोसिएटेड भाव, उसके साथ एसोसिएटेड चीज़ें हम फील ना करें. ओके, सो द परफेक्ट इमेजिनेशन रिक्वायर्स ऑल दीज स्टेप्स ऑफ पेटलेट. एंड लास्ट इज वी हैव टू एड अ डीप पर्सपेक्टिव. सो इमेजिन ऑल दी मसल्स. उसको सबसे मतलब गहराई कैसे आएगी? हाउ कैन वी एक्चुअली फील आवर पेल्विक मसल्स? यू हैव टू एड think about all the muscles, think about each and every muscle that is associated, that is a part of pelvic floor and which is helping you to perform this movement of simple contracting and relaxing. आप simply अपने pelvic floor को contract कर रहे हो, you are moving it up, so you feel the entire thing. और साथ के साथ हम लोग बाकी मांसपेशियाँ, हमारी inner thigh की, हमारी बटक की, हमारी abdomen की, ये सारी muscles को भी हम साथ के साथ feel करेंगे to get the perfect imagination. Okay? So tell your brain जिसने थोड़ा imagination कम कर दिया because of MS, that it's your job to imagine harder, and the harder you imagine, the better will be the results for you all. So I'm sure you all are going to work on this. Just keep thinking, and you will be absolutely all right. And imagine, when we think, there are two kind of processes involved. First, with your closed eyes, feel the movement, and second, feel the muscle action. Okay? तो सिर्फ पहले आप विजुलाइज करेंगे कि आप क्या मूव करने जा रहे हैं, और उसके बाद आप फील करेंगे एक एक मसल्स जो आपकी इन्वॉल्व है. ठीक है? सो मूवमेंट and your muscles, the visual and the kinesthetic. And with that note, I leave you to practice lots and lots and lots about your pelvic floor till we meet again. Thank you so much. Good day.